Okay, dear students, hoping that you all are very well. Last week I taken a class about short gomboz mosque, and today I have appeared before yourself again to take another online video class. So you are watching that I am taking this class from Boyra Dagbika High School, and my name is, you have already known, Chaudhuri Mushfiqur Rahman, Assistant Teacher English, and today I am going to discuss you about preposition. So if we all should know what is preposition. While going through the text, we will get some kinds of preposition: preposition about place, preposition about time. Actually, today I am going to discuss about preposition of place. So if you want to find out the preposition about place, we have to ask a noun or pronoun or something. What is the location of noun or pronoun? Suppose to moment I am speaking before yourself, staying in this classroom. So now I am in classroom. Today we are staying inside Bangladesh. If anyone live in America to moment, he is out of our country. My laptop is on the table. So if I ask you, where is the laptop? So laptop is on the table. Here on is a preposition of place, and where I am now, I am in the classroom. So in is a preposition. In such way, in my pocket there is a modem. So if I ask you where is the modem, modem is in my pocket. So in such way, if you want to know the location of a noun or pronoun, then we will find the answer of preposition of place. So at first, I would like to show you a picture about in. In means something that stays at the middle of some place. Here, in means the ball is inside the box. Here, in is the location of the ball. Similarly, we are inside the room. Next, the opposite meanings of in. The opposite of in is out. To moment the ball is out of the box. So out means something that is staying or situated or located outside a certain place, like the ball is out of the box. And now I am showing you two things at a moment: in and out. In and out. So you are watching what you are watching on the projector screen. In means the ball is inside the box, and out is the ball is outside the box. Next, we are watching a table and a book. The book is on the table. Actually, on is a confusing preposition. The laptop is on the table, the pen is on the table, the pointer is on the table. One is some kinds of preposition of place, that means contact. The laptop is in touch with the table or contact with the table. The pen is on contact with the table. Similarly, the book is on the table. The book has a contact with the table. So when we say that something is on something, then there means something contact, and there is an appropriate preposition, very notable or remarkable, that is depend on. If I sit on a chair, then I am depending on a chair. If someone walking on a stick is depending on the stick. So one is used for various purpose, but the most appropriate meanings of the preposition one is depending on something. Next, what we are seeing on the projector screen, the book is under the table. So on each that was on the table, and the opposite of or under is under. Under means something, under something, that below. Next, the man is going up. Here up means climbing up. Something that going high and high. Suppose an animal can climb up a tree and can climb down a tree. Up means that when we walk on the state that is going up, and there is a graph. When something goes up and up, that we can also tell them up. And there is another scenario, a chair and an elephant. The elephant is in front of the chair. In front means something before, but before maybe for time before 12 am, 12 pm, but this in front of is used particularly for a place. Suppose I am I am talking in front of the projector screen. The laptop is in front of myself. So in front is something that is located or situated before a certain noun or pronoun. Next now, we are watching the rabbit is behind the tree. There is a rabbit behind the tree. So behind means the opposite of in front. I am standing before yourself. The laptop is in front of myself, but the projector screen is behind myself. So behind means back, and before means front. Here we have got two opposite preposition, above and below. These two are very confusing preposition. Above means the highest position and below means the lowest position. On, over, up and above. All the four preposition indicate something on or over, but above is the highest position. Above is something that is motionless, that is still. The sky is above our head. To moment, the electric fan is above our head, the roof is above our head, and below the ground floor is below ourselves. So the opposite order of above and below, both of them are motionless and still. Next we have got another snap, between. The apple is between the box. Actually between is something that is in the middle of two person or two things. Here the apple is between the two box, so the apple is staying in the middle of the two box, so we are saying the apple is between. If we distribute something in the middle of two person, then we will call between. So between is the middle of two things. The opposite word of between is among. Among refers middle of many. Here the red ball is among the blocks. So there are around 6 blocks and the ball is at the middle of 6 blocks. But if there is 2 blocks, then we would say between 2 blocks. So between is for middle of 2 and among is middle of many. Next, what we are seeing on the screen, the earth moves around the sun. Here this is earth, this is sun, and we know the earth moves around the sun every day. The earth moves in its own orbit every day around the sun. So round is something circling. You will find a round circle on football match and cricket, especially cricket match. So when the ball overtake the circle, then we will call it 4 or 6. Here we have got another picture. The train is coming through the tunnel. Through is something from the middle of something. Here the train is coming out through the tunnel. If I look outside from the window, then I will call look through the window. So through is something that may flow or that we can see from the middle of something, then we will call throw. Next, this is a picture. The dog is walking beside the car. Here the dog is beside the car. Beside means by the side. So the chair is beside my left side, and while we stand in a row, we can find someone beside my right side and left side. So beside means you will find something in your right side or left side. And again we have got another picture about dog. The dog is inside window. Here we have got two other more snub. The climbers are climbing up the mountain. Here they are going up, so climb up the tree or mountain. Here the tiger is climbing down. Down means going down. Water flows down from the mountain, street or river, etc. So I have discussed something. Actually, we will get some other kinds of preposition to and towards. You have to remember that to is for destination. That means I am going to Dhaka, I am going to Khulna, I am going to my house. My destination is my house, Dhaka, Khulna. But towards is something for direction, that a bird is flying towards me. But this doesn't refer that the bird is coming to me. So to and towards are for direction, and to is for destination. And today I am going to sum up my class. Two moments until here. I am going to finish it within very few minutes. And next week I will come to appear before yourself again with my another class for preposition. Don't forget to visit my YouTube and Facebook channel, Meshko Choudhury. If you want to like to see my more class, then you have to visit my YouTube and Facebook ID, Meshko Choudhury. My class will be available here. And till today, thank you very much. Don't forget to share my video and give me a like. And in this pandemic situation, I would like to request you to remain safe and keep others safe. Thank you very much.